Good morning. Today we're going to go over how simple it is to relocate an Advantage 4-post lift within your garage using the supplied wheel kit that comes with every lift. To install your wheel kit, you simply raise the lift up about 2 feet off the ground for easy access. Okay, that should be plenty of room. Now if I can get some help, this is what one of the corners of the wheel kit looked like. It's a framework with a swivel caster on it with a pocket to receive your crossbeam. Simply put it in place, and they come with a pin and a clip. Holes, just put the clip in. All this again is supplied with each lift. Now we'll do all 4 corners. Okay, you good?
Yep.
Line the pockets up with the cross piece. Once you have all 4 wheel kits on, you simply lower your lift into the pockets on the wheel assembly. And here's where the weight of the lift pushing on the pockets raises the 4 corners up. So instead of being on your 12 by 12 pads, you're now on 4 casters. Good? Okay. You can see the distance you have underneath there now. Your post is no longer on the ground, it's on the wheel. In a garage like ours, an inch is sufficient because the floor's fairly flat to be able to move it. Now, at this point, you just push it to where you want. I recommend you have 2 people because 4 wheels go in 4 different directions. If one person's in each corner, you can control where you want to go with the lift. I'm not even pushing on. Closer. Now I'll say this is the new location where we want the lift. Now all we do to get it back onto the pad is raise the lift up off the wheel kit. As the lift comes up, our 12 by 12 pads go back in contact with the ground. Go up about that 2 feet so we can remove our wheel kit. Lower the lift, and then you're ready to put a car back on the lift. The question everybody asks is, can I move the lift with a car on it? The answer is really no, because if you put too much weight on it, you will damage the wheel kits. I don't know where that weight line is. People say they've done it, then I've had people call up and say they've damaged them. So if you do that, it's at your own risk. We do not tell you that you can move a car when it's on the wheel kits. It's strictly to, the wheel kit is strictly to move the lift. Okay, we can take off the kit. And while I'm at it, I want to mention our optional extended handle here. Normally the lift will come with just a black knob on the end of here, but on our extra tall lifts it makes it hard to reach the release sometimes. So this is a optional handle extension that gives you ability to pull down easily when it's all the way up and push on it when it gets down, and then it goes right into a rest position when you're not using it. That's new. Just came out about 2 months ago. And again, it's optional. It can be added to any lift. That's it.